What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing great today. This video is going to be super quick but super useful to all you designers out there. It's going to be going over how you guys can find any font within a matter of seconds. Well, basically any font. We'll just say any font because it sounds better. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so all you're going to need is a screenshotting tool of your choice. So like snipping tool or whatever other screenshotting things there are. And you want to find the font that you want to find. So for example, on YouTube, I found this chill lo-fi mix font that looks really nice. So what you're going to want to do is get your screenshotting tool. I'll be using snipping tool. I'm going to click on new and hold left click and drag over this right here and let go. Now I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay, now you can just close out of all this. And what you're going to want to do is go down in the description below and click on that link, which will say like fontspring.com. And it should take you to this right here. Now all you want to do is click on this upload image button right here. It's super simple. Click on that. And then you want to find your screenshot on your computer. So mine is right here, and click on open. Now it's going to say highlight the text that you wish to match. You'll see there's some red boxes around each of the letters. That's what you want, because if you only have like this bit highlighted, then it's only detecting that little bit. So you want to make sure it covers all the text, but you also don't want to get too much background in it because then it might throw it off. So make sure it's all highlighted. There's some options down here like rotating it, resetting. And I would keep this checked just so you can see that it's actually working. And you can upload different images here. But let's go ahead and click on match it. It'll take a second, but once it's done, you'll see down here, it finds some fonts that match your image. And maybe it doesn't find that exact font, but it could find fonts that look almost identical to it, which is cool as well. So you can see here, some of these cost money, some of them are free. Find the ones that are free and you guys can download it, but there's so many that look like it. This is just a super useful tool, and I'm pretty sure you can take it from literally anywhere on any website. And like I could maybe even find this font that they use for their own website. So let's try that, because this is actually a really nice font. So I'm going to yoink it and I'm going to upload it. Oh, that's the wrong one. And now it's broken. All right, I finally got it to work. Now we can click on match it and see if it can find its own font. And it did. It's literally this one. It's $20. There's no way. Who would spend $20 on a font? I'm guessing because you want the rights to the font or something like that. I don't know. There is another website that does something similar to this one. It's called Font Squirrel. Let's go ahead and try it out. It's also very nice as well, but I think the other one is a little bit better. So yeah, here we go. This one has more free options, I'd say. But this will also be in the description below if you guys want to use this one as well. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. I know it was a really short video, but I don't want to waste your time. Like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.